quick update on my speaker repair. So what I've done is taken the treble unit from the centre speaker and put it into the left speaker so that they match, so that they're a matched pair, and then the new tweeter is now on the centre speaker. Once I got the new one, I actually figured out how to take it to pieces. This is the old tweeter. So once I got the tweeter out and disassembled the pole from the back, so there was like a glue that was on the back of it that attached the pole, or the, what do you call it, transmission line tube to the back. So yeah, although it looks perfectly intact, it's definitely open circuit dead, which is a shame as it's a £100 item. But that's now been fitted, as I say, to the centre speaker. So that's actually where the new tweeter is. The other thing I'm going to show you in this video, which I'm quite pleased with, is this, which is the sealing. So the treatment for the sealing is now completely finished. Massive shout out to one of my patrons. He gave me a fairly, or she gave me a fairly substantial GoFundMe contribution. Should really cancel that GoFundMe campaign now that the problem's been solved. There you go, let's have a look at the ceiling. Now it's all complete. I'm very pleased with it, I am too. So that's that. And as you can hear in the background, the speakers are now functioning too. Dusty though they are, I'm going to attempt to give you a bit of a audio demo of this system. Now it's working. Something from the YouTube audio library.